Are you constantly reaching for sugary snacks only to feel guilty afterward? You're not alone. Most people don't realize how easy it is to make simple swaps that can satisfy your sweet tooth without the extra calories. Sugar is one of the most addictive substances on the planet, and it's sneaking its way into almost every processed food we eat. From granola bars to yogurt, even healthy-sounding products can be loaded with added sugars. Making a conscious effort to reduce sugar intake can have a significant impact on our health and well-being. From weight loss to improved energy levels, the benefits are numerous. But it's hard to resist the allure of sweet treats, isn't it? That's why today I'm sharing 5 surprising sugar swaps that'll help you cut down on the white stuff without sacrificing flavor. These easy substitutions will become your new best friends in the kitchen, and you might be surprised at just how delicious they are. Let's dive into the first swap, honey. This natural sweetener is a game changer. Not only does it have antibacterial properties, but it's also packed with antioxidants and has a distinct flavor that pairs perfectly with oatmeal, yogurt, or even just a slice of apple. When it comes to using honey as a sugar substitute, a little goes a long way. Since it's sweeter than sugar, you can use less of it to achieve the same level of sweetness. Plus, honey contains vitamins and minerals like iron and calcium, making it a nutritional powerhouse. One thing to keep in mind is that there are many types of honey, each with its own unique taste and characteristics. From clover honey to manuka honey, you can experiment with different varieties to find the one you love the most. If you're looking for a sugar substitute that's not only delicious but also sustainable, honey is an excellent choice. Beekeepers work hard to harvest honey while preserving the natural habitats of bees, making it an eco-friendly option. Honey is perfect for baking, cooking, or even just as a sweetener in your morning coffee. Get creative and experiment with different recipes to find your new favorite way to use honey. Moving on to our next sugar swap, which is all about maple syrup. This sweet, sticky liquid is a staple in many Canadian households, and for good reason. Made from the sap of maple trees, it's a natural sweetener that's rich in minerals like manganese and zinc. One of the best things about maple syrup is its unique flavor profile. It has a richness and depth that's unparalleled, making it a perfect addition to pancakes, waffles, or even just a bowl of oatmeal. When using maple syrup as a sugar substitute, keep in mind that it's still a sugar, albeit a natural one. Use it sparingly and in moderation, but know that it's a better option than refined sugar any day. Maple syrup is also an excellent choice for those who are looking for a vegan-friendly sweetener. Since it's derived from plant-based sources, it's a great option for those who follow a plant-based diet. I love using maple syrup in recipes where I want to add a hint of sweetness without overpowering the other flavors. It's perfect for marinades, salad dressings, or even just as a topping for ice cream or yogurt. Maple syrup is a bit pricier than some other sugar substitutes, but trust me, it's worth the investment. The flavor and nutritional benefits are unparalleled, making it a valuable addition to your pantry. Next up, we have Stevia, a zero-calorie sweetener that's gained popularity in recent years. Stevia is derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant, which is native to South America. One of the most significant benefits of stevia is its impact on blood sugar levels. Since it's zero-calorie, it won't raise your blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those who are managing diabetes or prediabetes. Stevia is also a great option for those who are trying to lose weight. Since it's zero-calorie, you can indulge in sweet treats without worrying about the extra calories. When using stevia as a sugar substitute, keep in mind that it's much sweeter than sugar, so a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and adjust to taste, as stevia can have a bitter aftertaste if used excessively. Stevia is perfect for beverages, desserts, or even just as a sweetener in your morning coffee. It's also a great option for baking, as it can help reduce the overall calorie count of your treats. One thing to note is that some people may not enjoy the taste of stevia, which can be bitter or licorice-like. However, there are many stevia-based products on the market that have been formulated to minimize the bitter taste, so don't be discouraged if you don't like it at first. Next, we're talking about fruit purees as a sugar substitute. Fruit purees are a game changer for those who want to add natural sweetness to their recipes without the extra calories. The best part about fruit purees is that they're incredibly versatile. You can use them as a topping for oatmeal or yogurt, as a sweetener in baked goods, or even just as a snack on their own. When using fruit purees as a sugar substitute, keep in mind that they're higher in fiber and antioxidants than refined sugar. This means you'll not only be reducing your sugar intake, but also increasing your nutrient intake. Fruit purees are perfect for baby food, as they're a natural and healthy way to add sweetness without any added sugars. They're also an excellent choice for those who are trying to reduce their sugar intake, but still want to indulge in sweet treats. One of the best things about fruit purees is that they're so easy to make at home. Simply cook down your favorite fruits, such as berries or bananas, and blend them into a smooth puree. You can then use this puree as a sweetener in your recipe or as a topping for your favorite treats. Last but not least, we have coconut sugar, a natural sweetener that's gaining popularity in the health food scene. Coconut sugar is a low-glycemic sweetener that's packed with minerals like iron and zinc. One of the best things about coconut sugar is its lower glycemic index. This means it won't cause a spike in blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those who are managing diabetes or prediabetes. Coconut sugar is also a great option for those who are trying to reduce their sugar intake but still want to indulge in sweet treats. It has a rich, caramel-like flavor that's perfect for baking or cooking. When using coconut sugar as a sugar substitute, keep in mind that it can be more expensive than refined sugar. However, the nutritional benefits and unique flavor make it well worth the investment. Coconut sugar is perfect for those who are looking for a natural sweetener that's easy to use and versatile in recipes. It's an excellent choice for baking, cooking, or even just as a sweetener in your morning coffee. So, there you have it. 5 surprising sugar swaps that'll help you reduce your sugar intake without sacrificing flavor. From honey to coconut sugar, each of these natural sweeteners has its own unique benefits and uses. Remember, the key to reducing sugar intake is to start small and make gradual changes. Begin by swapping out 1 or 2 sources of sugar in your diet and see how it goes. You might be surprised at just how easy it is to make these swaps a part of your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have any favorite sugar swaps, be sure to comment below and let us know. And don't forget to check out our next video on healthy eating tips. It's packed with even more information on how to make healthy choices a part of your daily routine.